That's okay. Hello. She's friendly. Hello.
Oh, wow.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Say bye, puppy.
Bye bye.
We get across the road. We got to hold on.
Bye. She's very friendly.
Oh,
Just 3 months.
3.
Yeah. It's very cute.
Can you smell my puppy on there?
Yeah, I think so. She knows every person have a puppy or a dog.
She's gorgeous.
Thank you. Come. Come here.
Beautiful. Aren't you gorgeous?
Maybe she smell you. Do you have a dog?
I do have a
Oh,
dog.
that's
You're not half spoiled, are you?
He won't stop.
All right.
See you.
Thank you.
Thank you. He's afraid. Do you have a dog? Maybe she smell you like.
I got goats.
Ah.
She's so quiet.
Yeah.
Oh,
She won't stop.
you are so beautiful. So gentle and quiet.
Yeah.
How old?
3 months.
Is she naughty and mischievous at home or?
No, she's just quiet
Is she?
and yeah. But yeah, she likes to be cuddled and yeah.
Then we got
5
5 years.
years.
So they're eating everything.
Oh yeah, still training.
Morning.
Yeah. Thank you. That's okay. You want to hold it? She's friendly. Yeah, yeah. Fishy, fishy, look, look. Yep.